In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your display scaling for your monitor or display settings on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side at the top, select Display. And then you want to go underneath Scale and Layout and click the drop down, and you can select 100%, 125, or 150% for the size of text, apps, and other items. Or you can select the little arrow on the right side to open up additional options on your Lenovo device to enter in a custom scaling value here. Select the check mark to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.